Hello! In this video I was gonna go over my top 3 Filament free plugins that I've been using. So the first plugin I wanted to go over is the Curator plugin. So if you take a look at the Curator plugin, it's a super great plugin which is super useful to have, especially if you're not planning on using Spatty Media Library, which does not work with it. There is another Curator plugin for that, but that's paid. So let's take a look at what the Curator plugin actually does and how it can be used. I've gone ahead and I've opened up my Filament admin panel, and in here we have the Media tab. So as soon as you've gone ahead and installed this plugin, we have the Media tab here. You can decide what the icon should be here based on the hero icon package in this case, and I put it under the navigation group content and put it under sort free with the label media. So in here we have these photos here. You could have a grid view instead if you fancy. So if you take a look here, you can see we have this lovely grid view, or you can have a list view. So in here we can go ahead, we can add in anything from alt text to caption, and it even links to the accessibility for alt text here. We can also add a description of the image, copy the URL. We can create curations of individual images. Go ahead, for example, and call this small, and then we can access this in the database. We could go ahead and rotate it, change the X, Y, width, height, and all of that. So if we save curation here, this is just a small one here. You can see we can go ahead and add another curation here. We call this large and increase the size a bit here, for example. And we could also even go ahead and say WebP in this case. And then we have a WebP format. We could also have it under a preset thumbnail if we wanted to. And we can go ahead and just basically go ahead and add more and more different creations for an image in here. And we can go ahead and save this. We can go ahead and change the name of this file. Go ahead and upload a new one. And obviously we can preview it, see the size of it, and when it was uploaded. So that's the first plugin that I really like that you can get a hold of. And in order to get a hold of it, we can just go to Filament PHP plugins and head into the Curator page here. And in here we can find the one by Adam Weston, who has made a bunch of great Filament PHP plugins. And we can just go ahead and use the composer require and then create install. In this case, it uses the Filament custom theme to set it up. We need corporate.js. I'm not going to go over the whole installation guide. You can watch some of the videos in the Wire content CMS course that I've done. That's still coming more videos up on that. And you can take a look at how we can use it. You can even decide to disable grid or the list view if you wanted to. So the second one I really like is the Spotlight plugin. So again, if we head into Filament PHP, we have the Spotlight plugin here. And this is again super easy to use. Just install it and publish the assets, add it to the admin panel provider, and you just use Command K or Control K, and you can just search for a bunch of things in here, such as edit products and themes and so on. Which brings me to the third plugin that I really like having. It's the ability to have custom themes for the panel. Instead of having to go ahead and create your own one, which takes a while, and unless you're creating a SaaS app or have very specific client requirements, I prefer just using the themes plugin here, which we can essentially go ahead and change the color of the theme. We could even go ahead and select a custom one if we wanted to. We can go ahead and change it, for example, to the North version, which would add the pages up here. We can then take a look at all of these different ways we can use it. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna change the theme to the default one for now. And again, we can find this one just in here. And there we go. And here you can find all these themes in here. So that's the 3 Filament plugins that I really enjoy using. Now, there's not really anything else I'm going to go over in this video. I just thought I would like to share with you the 3 plugins I really enjoy using within Filament PHP. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.